Students, you're most welcome in today's science class. Students, I hope all of you fit and fine at your home and your study going well. Student, today we will study chapter 3. The name of chapter is safety. First, student, as you know, accident can take place anywhere and anytime. They often happen when we are careless. In accident may cause injury to a person or damage property. Sometimes it may even pose danger to life. So we all need to very careful. We can avoid accident if we follow some safety rules. We need to follow the safety rules everywhere at home, in a school, on road and playground. Safety in classroom. Don't play in classroom. You may jump into desks. Don't climb on desks or run around them. You may fall down and harm yourself. And don't push each other while you and use a sharpener in place of blade or knife because sharp thing may cause of the injure or hurt you. So always use the sharpener when you sharpen your pencil. Other sharp things can cut your finger. Don't throw objects at each other. You or other may get hurt. Safety in playground. Safety in playground. Student, as all of you know, that when you are in playground, always follow the rules of game you are playing. Wait for your turn on swing, slide or seesaw. Don't push each other and be careful while playing. Don't hit or push or pull anyone while playing, and don't play near the thorny hedges. Wait for your turn at swings, and don't stand in front of the moving swing. It may hurt you badly. Follow the rules of games or you will hurt yourself and others. And students, as all of you know, when you are in playground, always wait for your turn. Okay, don't say that firstly I play firstly. Sometimes you are fighting there, it's the bad habit, and maybe you will hurt there if you are fighting in each other. Okay, so always wait for your turn and always follow the rules of games. Now safety at road. Safety at road. Student, as you walking, cycling, running carelessly on the road can be dangerous. So we should follow the traffic rules on the road for our own safety as well as the safety of others. Why we follow the safety rules? We follow the safety rule for our safety and for safety for others. To avoid the accident on the road, we should always walk on footpath. On the left side, we should always use the zebra crossing while crossing the road, and we should cross the road when traffic is stopped. And student, never play on road or streets. You may get hurt by the speedily vehicles. And before the crossing a road, look your right, then left, then right, then you will cross the road. Okay, are you seeing here the black and white strips on the road? This is called zebra crossing. This is called zebra crossing. Always cross the road in this place. When you are crossing road in this place, that is called zebra crossing. Okay, students, all of you read this chapter properly. Okay, do more and more practice of reading and learn the book exercise. Let's we stop the chapter here. So learn book exercise and also make the colorful diagram of traffic light in your copy. Okay, thank you. God bless you.